Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how gym dumbbells are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
In the very first step, tons of raw steel, iron, and rubber arrive at the facility, ready to be transformed into the dumbbells you use in the gym.
Every shipment is carefully unloaded, making sure the metal arrives safely without damage before it enters the production flow.
At the receiving checkpoint, each batch is digitally logged and traced, so every dumbbell can be tracked back to its exact source materials.
From the moment raw materials enter the building, their journey is organized and controlled to keep the production line running smoothly. These billets are high-grade steel, chosen for strength and durability, perfect for handles that will endure years of heavy lifting. Rubber granules are measured and stored, ready to be molded and bonded to the metal core for coated dumbbells. Before unloading, each truck is weighed to confirm that the delivered mass of material matches the order and quality records.
Any piece that doesn't meet our standards is removed here, so only premium material continues into production.
Even scrap is carefully collected and recycled, reducing waste while maintaining a clean and efficient workplace.
All inventory is managed in real time, ensuring that the exact type and quantity of raw materials are always available. Once checked and sorted, the steel moves into the preparation area, where it will be cut to size for dumbbell handles. Rubber is tested for moisture and consistency, ensuring the final coating bonds evenly and resists cracking.
Throughout the day, the receiving area is in constant motion, keeping the entire factory supplied with fresh material. Before processing, steel surfaces are cleaned and descaled, improving the bond with coatings and extending the life of every dumbbell. Raw materials are stored with precision, clearly labeled by grade, size, and batch, so they can be pulled exactly when needed.
Safety starts here, at the very beginning of the process, with clear protocols for handling heavy materials and machinery. Color coding and barcodes help operators instantly recognize which material is destined for which dumbbell type or weight range.
A network of conveyors delivers each material to its dedicated preparation station, streamlining the flow into the next phase.
Samples are regularly taken and tested in the lab, confirming that the steel meets strict strength and composition standards.
By the end of the preparation phase, every material is clean, measured, and staged, fully ready to enter the core production process.
Here, raw steel and iron are transformed into molten metal, the foundation of every dumbbell we manufacture.
Precise amounts of carbon and alloying elements are added, giving each dumbbell the strength and toughness it needs under heavy load.
Advanced robotics remove impurities from the melt, ensuring a clean, consistent material for every casting.
Temperature control is critical. Just a few degrees can affect the structure and performance of the final dumbbell. From this control room, operators oversee every furnace and mixer, making real-time adjustments to keep the process perfectly balanced. Each batch follows a programmed profile, time, temperature, and composition, tailored to specific dumbbell designs. In this phase, metal and coatings are prepared in parallel, synchronizing the core of the dumbbell with its protective outer layers.
Rubber granules are blended with pigments and oils to create durable, crack-resistant coatings for rubberized dumbbells.
Color is carefully controlled, so each weight range can be instantly identified on the gym floor.
Before moving forward, every melt is analyzed. Only metal with the right composition is allowed into the casting stage. Separate mixers run parallel batches, ensuring a continuous supply of coating material for different dumbbell types. Viscosity tests confirm that the rubber will flow smoothly into molds and bond tightly to the metal core. From the furnace, molten metal travels through insulated channels, maintaining temperature as it moves toward the molds. Side by side, metal and rubber lines feed their respective processes, timed so every part arrives exactly when it's needed. Automated controls track the entire mixing cycle, keeping each batch identical to the one before it. High temperatures demand strict safety. Shielding and alarms protect workers while furnaces operate at full power.
Over hours and days, the pattern repeats. Melt, mix, analyze, and transfer, creating a constant flow of material into production.
Every batch is recorded, linking material properties to the dumbbells that will eventually reach gyms around the world.
In this stage, we're not just melting metal and mixing rubber, we're engineering the core and skin of each dumbbell.
Once the metal and coatings reach their exact specifications, they're ready for the next step, transforming these materials into solid, perfectly balanced dumbbells.
As the molds close, they form the exact cavities that will become the heads of each dumbbell. At over 1,000 degrees, molten steel fills every contour, capturing the precise shape and balance needed for strength training. Carefully controlled cooling locks in the metal structure, preventing cracks and preserving toughness. Once solid, the castings are freed from their molds, emerging as raw shapes ready for refining. Heat treatment strengthens the metal from within, giving each dumbbell the resilience to handle repeated impacts.
A rapid quench locks in hardness, so the weights resist deformation, even under heavy use. Shot blanching removes scale and smooths the surface, preparing the metal for accurate machining and coating.
Computer-controlled machines shape each head with micrometer precision, ensuring perfect geometry and balance. Exact bore sizes guarantee a tight, reliable connection between the handle and the weight.
The distinctive knurling on each handle is engineered for grip, aggressive enough for control, but comfortable in the hand.
Robotic assembly ensures a consistent press fit, so every dumbbell feels solid with no looseness or rattle.
Human expertise completes the process, verifying alignment and straightness by hand on critical pieces.
For coated dumbbells, liquid rubber is injected around the metal core, creating a protective layer that cushions impacts and reduces noise.
Once cooled enough to hold its shape, the coated dumbbell is released from the mold, already close to its final form.
Powder coating adds a durable, chip-resistant finish, protecting the metal while giving each dumbbell a clean, professional look.
In the curing oven, the powder liquefies and bonds to the surface, forming a tough outer skin that resists wear.
For chrome or nickel finishes, an electroplating process adds a reflective, corrosion-resistant layer to the steel. For chrome or nickel finishes, an electroplating process adds a reflective, corrosion-resistant layer to the steel.
Finally, each dumbbell is marked with its logo and exact weight, so lifters always know what they're grabbing. By the end of this transformation phase, raw metal and rubber have become precision-built dumbbells, ready for final checks and packaging.
In the final assembly area, every component comes together. Heads, handles, and coatings are locked into a single, solid dumbbell.
Precise torque settings ensure a permanent fit, so the heads never loosen, even after years of workouts.
Automated sensors sort and pair each dumbbell by weight, preparing complete sets for gyms and home users. Labels carry critical information, weight, batch number, and safety details, so every product is fully traceable.
Permanent laser markings make sure logos and weight indicators stay visible, even after heavy, repeated use. For rubber-coated weights, high-contrast inkjet printing adds clear markings that are easy to read across the gym floor. Dumbbells are grouped into sets according to each order, whether for a small home kit or a full commercial gym.
Custom-cut foam protects every weight in transit, preventing damage to both the dumbbells and the packaging.
Clear instructions and warranty information travel with each product, supporting the customer long after purchase.
Once packed and protected, each box is sealed securely, ready to withstand shipping and handling. For retail displays, shrink-wrapped sets keep everything visible, clean, and organized on the shelf.
Robotic palletizing arranges boxes for maximum stability, optimizing each load for safe global transport.
Straps and stretch wrap lock the load into a single solid unit, protecting it from shifting on the road or at sea.
Shipping labels and barcodes connect every package to its final destination,
and tracking data in real time. All day long, the packaging hall runs like a finely tuned system, turning finished dumbbells into ready-to-ship products.
Random checks confirm that every box contains the correct weights, properly protected and correctly labeled.
Different product lines move side by side: fitness, strength, and specialty dumbbells, each configured for a specific customer or market.
Strong, clear branding on every carton signals quality long before the box is even opened.
At the end of the line, smart routing systems direct each shipment to the right truck, warehouse, or export container. From the moment components meet to the final wrapped pallet, every step in assembly and packaging is designed for... In the quality lab, every dumbbell is treated like precision equipment, tested, measured, and verified before it leaves the factory.
Each dumbbell is weighed to the gram, making sure the marked weight is exactly what the lifter feels in their hand.
Dimensional checks confirm that every handle, head, and spacing meets strict tolerances for comfort and consistency.
Special lighting reveals even the smallest defect, so only flawless finishes reach the customer.
Alignment jigs verify that each handle is perfectly straight, preventing wobble and uneven load during training. Dimensional checks confirm that every handle, head, and spacing meets strict tolerances for comfort and consistency. Special lighting reveals even the smallest defect, so only flawless finishes reach the customer. Alignment jigs verify that each handle is perfectly straight, preventing wobble and uneven load during training.
Drop tests simulate real gym abuse, proving that the coating won't chip and the heads won't loosen under heavy use.
In corrosion tests, metal finishes face harsh conditions, ensuring they can withstand sweat, humidity, and time.
Environmental chambers expose products to extreme heat, cold, and light, validating their durability in any training environment.
Balance tests ensure that weight is evenly distributed, giving athletes a stable, predictable feel on every rep.
Automated sorting separates perfect products from those needing rework, keeping quality levels consistently high.
All test results are logged in a central system, linking each dumbbell to a full digital record of its quality checks. Once cleared by quality control, products move into the finished goods warehouse, organized and ready for shipment.
Pickers assemble each order with barcode guidance, ensuring every gym or retailer receives exactly what they requested.
In the staging area, pallets are grouped by route and destination, ready to be loaded onto outbound trucks.
Forklifts carefully load each truck, balancing weight and securing pallets to keep cargo safe in transit.
Straps and seals lock each load in place and prevent tampering, protecting the shipment from factory to final destination.
From the logistics control room, planners coordinate routes, delivery windows, and tracking for every outgoing shipment.
Loaded trucks roll out, carrying dumbbells from this factory floor to gyms, retailers, and homes around the world.
From raw steel to finished shipment, every step is designed for quality, reliability, and performance.
And that's how gym dumbbells are made, from start to finish.